I was just, going through the days of being a Muslim the way that my father expected me to be a Muslim, and I wasn't really coming from a place of deep conviction or understanding or commitment. Until that i'tikaf. That i'tikaf was undoubtedly the most transformative experience of my life. I went in one person and I truly exited a different person. I was the only young person amongst 10 uncles, ammus, and I was their gopher. I was running around, just taking care of things, picking up, cleaning up. They'd yell at me to take care of things, and barely sleeping. I truly tasted the sweetness of faith. The idea of just being in the house of Allah for those days, exhausted in ibadah, praying, reading the Quran, serving my elders. And it completely transformed how I think about, or how I thought about life at that point. And I decided that I tasted something that I can never walk away from again.